Shiba Inu coin investors, get ready. Expect extreme volatility all throughout this week. We're going to dive into a couple different things we're looking at right now for Shiba Inu. And make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe down below. It's going to be a rocky ride here this week. Just one thing after the other has happened, and it's impacting the entire crypto market. We've got the FTX versus Binance war happening. We've got elections happening today. We've got CPI data later this week on Thursday. Ugh. 2022 has been brutal, man. It has tested a lot of people's patience when it comes to SHIB. I see the comments. I see the frustration. I feel it. I'm with you. So many people are waiting for Shibarium. So many people are waiting for Shiba Inu to go back to where it was last year. It's just not going to happen right now. I want to be the voice of reason here because you're going to find a lot of people out there saying it's going to go to $1 tomorrow, right? It's not. It's not. It's not even going to go anywhere close to that tomorrow. We're just in a rough time right now. But if you have that long-term vision, and you could be patient, patience always wins. Patient investors always win in the end when they invest in good assets and they're willing to go through the ups and downs. I want to take you inside the overall crypto market, and this is one of the big reasons why SHIB is down right now. And stay with us here because we're going to dive into a couple things on the chart too and show you where a nice entry could be for Shiba Inu throughout this week. We're going to keep tabs on this all week long. But Bitcoin, you can see, is dialed way back, down below 20,000 again. It's trading at 19,500, falling a little bit here, even more so today in the last 24 hours. Look at Ethereum, down below 1,500. These are the market movers. When you look at these two assets, okay, they make up Bitcoin 38.6% of the market, Ethereum 18.4% of the overall market. So think about that, right? That is a large chunk. Well over 50% of the overall crypto market is right here. These two top dogs, they're down. Everything else tumbles with it. BNB had a really nice run, and it is outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum this year, but it is coming down a little bit. It's only down 1.39% though. So it's not selling off as much. Dogecoin is coming way back down. It went under 10 cents again. So it continues to fall. But long term, I do think there will be something worked out there with Elon and company. Cardano's down below 40 cents. Just a ton of opportunities, guys. Solana has been crushed this year. Polygon, of course, has had a nice run. Shiba Inu has dialed back below the DAI coin again, ranked number 14 still sitting at just below a $6 billion market cap. We're currently trading, this is the one-day outlook, currently trading at the 10.8 level. So for a while here, over the past several days, we've been talking about this consolidation phase, which was really nice. Well, we broke it to the downside, right? Now, a lot of this is because of the FTX versus Binance stuff that's happening. I think that is more so moving the markets than elections, which we thought elections would do so today. I really think this is more about the FTX versus Binance situation right now. But hey, we're selling off. Okay, so here's the big question. Where are we looking for an entry point right now for Shiba Inu? So if you remember, before the run-up that we saw start to happen here in late October, we were trading below that 10 range. I've always said this year, when we dial back into these 509 ranges, this is my opportunity. This is my spot where I like to accumulate. So it happened right here in late October. You go back to June. This is the last time it happened. It really sold off in June, way down here, right? Got down to the 507 level. Could we get all the way down to this level of support? Maybe. But what I would look at is once we dial back to 509, if that happens, that would be my first point of entry, either for a swing trade or long-term accumulation. That's how I look at it. Now, if we came back down to the 506 level, 507 level, like we saw in the June lows, that would even be a better spot, right? Because we did bounce off that pretty hard, had the big run up in August, remember, right in here where we almost got back to the 4018 range. But it's just been a wonky 2022. Of course, it all started back in April and May, and the big collapse of Terra Luna, and then just the macroeconomic factors at play just have been brutal for the markets. Now we're dealing with fighting between FTX and Binance. We got elections, CPI data. When in doubt, zoom out, though. I know we say it all the time, but man, it's so easy to get caught up in this day-to-day. Let's take a look at the technicals here. So all of a sudden now on the technicals, strong sells across the board for the moving averages here in the short term. So I am just staying pat right now, waiting to kind of see how this plays out. If we do dial back into the 509 level as this week continues, I do think that's another good opportunity to accumulate. I think the whales have shown us that they come in at these levels. And usually once we get a couple green days in the market, we're back up into that 11, 12, 13 range for SHIB in the short term. So if you're looking to swing trade, looking to accumulate, I think it's a good zone anytime we get down in here. So we're going to continue to track it, guys. Crazy week ahead of us still. We'll see how elections play out, see how it impacts crypto later tonight, rolling into tomorrow. Then it doesn't stop there. We'll see what happens on Wednesday, which is the kind of middle day right between the big 2 days, elections and then CPI data on Thursday. So then we get core CPI next week, a week from today. So just a lot happening right now in November. We'll continue to monitor the situation, but when in doubt, zoom out. SHIB still has a lot going for it here, a lot of catalyst out there, and we're dealing with just terrible market conditions across the board. And Shiba Inu, given that it's such a big crypto by market cap now, it's going to feel that. It's going to feel all of that. So that's what I've got for you guys. Don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe down below. It means the world to me. I'm here every single day, so don't miss another video. Appreciate you guys, and we'll see you.